relationship was perfect. As with any other relationship, there were hardships. There was never any cheating up to this point, or at least, I hope, just normal life situations. But I always thought we would deal with them together. So back in September 2022, I was involved in a high-speed accident with a garbage truck. I fortunately wasn't severely injured from it, but I have been struggling with severe back pain to the point where it has prevented me from working ever since. I did try to return to work. I am an HVAC tech. 3 months later, and it didn't go well. My doctor took me off and then started a very lengthy journey of trying to find a treatment plan that would help me get back to work. Then in May 2023, I needed emergency surgery when my appendix ruptured. I woke her up to take me to the hospital, and she gave me some attitude about it. She then decided to fix her hair and makeup before we left. She also refused to drive, so I drove myself to the hospital with her in the passenger seat. After the surgery, the hospital wanted to keep me overnight for observation because they found an infection around my appendix. I asked her if she could stay with me at the hospital and take a few days off to help me with anything